They sent me a little note that says, stay healthy. Cool. So I'm about to open my Grove Collaborative shipment that came in today. They are great to deal with. This is a wonderful company and I highly recommend. I just got back from the pool. I didn't even wait to change out of my wet clothes. I was excited to see this Grove Collaborative shipment come in. So I already opened and peeked inside. So I'm gonna let you peek inside too. I really can't say enough about this company. They are so easy to deal with, and they have the coolest items for your household and personal use. And so you have like a subscription, and you put on the subscription how often you want shipments and what you want to go in your shipment, and they do the rest. And they're very easy to deal with. If you decide you do not want something shipped, you know, just give them a quick email. And even I have actually canceled shipments that came in that I realized, you know, I probably shouldn't ship this month. I don't need any of the products, and they were fully refunded, and the shipment came anyways. And I tried to get them to send it back, and they said just gift it, just share it with someone else. So, you know, how nice is that? I know economically it's probably too expensive to ship back, but anyways, okay. First up, method. They have sustainable products that are really good. I think some of these things you might be able to get at Target. The prices are pretty reasonable with these guys too. And that's toilet bowl cleaner. Here we have handcrafted bar soap, rosemary and lavender. And you know, every time you open these boxes, you're just like, oh, the essence that just flows up is just delish. This one's good. Rosemary and lavender. Yes, this one's a good soap. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, there's another soap. Let's look at this one first. Natural Man charcoal bar soap. Say yes to dirt magnet soap for super magnetic guy. Soothing aloe and citrus. Oh yeah, you can smell it through there. Even though it's wrapped in plastic, that smells good. Yum. These are sustainable products, and we have the activated charcoal by Hello, fresh mint and coconut oil, epic whitening fluoride toothpaste. I've been using this for a couple of months already, and I really like it. Yep, really good. You don't have to worry about it. It doesn't have peroxide in it. No artificial sweeteners, no dyes, no sulfates. No brainer. So yeah, you would think it darkens your teeth. It's black paste, but it works brilliantly, it says, and it does. I really like it. Okey-doke, toothpaste. Next up we have soap. Myers brand Clean Day Mrs. Myers mint scent. So this is a new one to try with olive oil and aloe vera. Yep, this one's nice. I think the last one I had was lemon, which I like a lot, but I think I'm gonna like the mint as well. Ah, yeah, that's good. Yum. Yep, okay, excellent. And then we have tissues. Ultra soft tissues, 100% sustainable, bamboo and sugarcane. Seedling by Grove. 2-ply tissues. Excellent. It says every 50 boxes purchased, 1 tree is planted. The seedlings promise. Excellent. The most sustainable tissue ever. Bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees may take 20 or more years. Bamboo absorbs 5 times as much CO2 as trees. No pesticides were used in growing this. Sugarcane is a byproduct of the sugar manufacturing, upcycled to make this product. This variety of bamboo is not a source of food for the pandas. So pandas still are getting their delicious yummy. This is not the same kind. Then we have Mrs. Myers Clean Day Rose Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Rose. Yeah, that's yummy. Okie doke. multi-surface. And then we have dish soap, fresh cut grass scent. How cool is that? Fresh cut grass scent. Wish you could smell it. I already smelled it and it was yum. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice fragrance to have in your home. Biodegradable and cuts grease. Limited edition scent. I'm gonna fall in love with it and then we won't be able to get it anymore. Then we have the wrinkle releaser spray, free and clear. I had a girlfriend stay with me last weekend and she had unpacked her little cotton dress and she put it on and she was like, oh, look at all these wrinkles. And I said, do you want to iron it? No, just don't worry about it. I said, hey, let's try this. So we shook it really good and we put it on her dress right as she was wearing it. And as she wore it, in the next hour or so, the wrinkles just kind of fell out. And then it's a very nice fragrance here too. Let's see. Yep, it's a very mild, very neutral fragrance. Not strong at all. Cool. Grove Collaborative. Unboxing of good stuff. Next up we have a solid shampoo. Solid shampoo by High Bar. What do you know about that? This will be a new one. I've never tried solid shampoo. Let's see what we have. One High Bar is equal to 16 ounces of liquid shampoo, which means one less plastic bottle. Hey, how cool is that? One less plastic bottle. So there you go. Here's a solid shampoo. And I love the way it smells too. I'm a smeller and a sniffer, huh? Yeah, this is really good. So yeah, I'm anxious to try that. Wonder if they have such thing as a solid conditioner. Cool. Hi, nice to meet you. Okay, next up. We have laundry detergent packs, citrus and woods, 95% bio-based, no synthetic fragrances, dyes, or optical brighteners. Powerful stain fighting formula. Grove Collaborative. Yep. Little pouches, you just throw them directly into your wash machine and then add your clothes. Good. I've had this before too and I do like it. And then we've got a whole box full of goodies. Mint and Argan Lip Balm by Grove with chia seed oil. Chia seed oil. Yum, mint and argan. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. Good stuff. Feels good. Nice size to put in your pocketbook or in your pocket. Very good. Okay. Next up, we have 3 more things I want to show you. We have scrubber sponges. Grove Collaborative has scrubber sponges, and I've had these several times. They're really nice. They're great for washing dishes. When you're done washing your dishes, you can use them for your counters or take them into the bathroom to use there. Then you get out a fresh one for the dishes again. So, walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge made from ground walnut shells, recycled fibers, and plant-based cellulose. Yay! Sustainable scrubbers. Non-abrasive and perfect on cookware, glassware, countertops, appliances, top rack dishwasher safes. You can throw them right in there. There's 2 in here. Okay. And then we have silicone straws. There's a set of 4 silicone straws in this nice little cotton drawstring bag. There you go. Silicone straws. So you don't have to throw so many plastic straws away. You just reuse them. There's the little cleaner that comes with it. That's kind of nice to have too. I saw some reusable, I want to say they were travel size, and they folded up in a small pack at one of the major camping stores, and they were quite expensive for 2 straws. I want to say it was like $30. I'm thinking these were around 8 or 12 maybe, and you get 4 of them, a little pouch, and a cleaner. So you got your little brush. That's great. And last thing we have in our bag today is reusable snack bags. Reusable, food safe, BPA free. There's a 2-pack. Hand wash with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. Top rack dishwasher safe on low heat setting. Yeah, and this is like the 3rd pack I've had of these. I save them and reuse them, and I do like them. However, I did make the mistake of reheating a sweet potato one time in the microwave. Nope, nope, nope. I don't use the microwave a whole lot, but yeah, that was a bad idea. It just kind of really distorted it, and it wouldn't zip up anymore, and it just damaged it. Too high of a heat. Yep. So these are nice. So you have little Ziploc bags. Wash, reuse, instead of throwing away so much plastic. Great. Very good. So that's what we have today. Thanks for coming along with me as I unboxed my Grove Collaborative. And yeah, some great items here.